Aloha from Hawaii. Welcome back, you beautiful people, to the wonderful island of Oahu.
School's out.
School ended this past week, and we went off with a bang. So the kids have been living the dream, right? We're taking them left and right on all these adventures, and Kimberly and I were like, we would like an adventure for ourselves. So we ditched the kids, and we got up really early again, and we went off this time to go snorkel Electric Beach. Now, Electric Beach isn't like any other snorkel place. It's pretty magical in what it can deliver. If the conditions are right, if the ocean is good, the swell is good, the wind is good, it can be magic. I have seen dolphins here, I've seen turtles here, I've seen seals here, and a whole lot of fish depending on the day. So Kimberly and I got up and hit it right at sunrise.
Morning it is, dude. I am tired today.
I feel you. I was like, man, we should have gone at 5.
So let's just say that snorkeling at Electric Beach is not for beginners. There's a reason we left the kids behind. You are going out into the deep ocean, all right? 30 feet, 100 feet. It gets deep out there, and if there's a strong current, you're gonna get carried pretty far. So you do need to be careful of this area. And also, why do they call it Electric Beach? Well, they call it Electric Beach because while the ocean right here is beautiful, you are right next to an electric power plant that is pumping out warm water right there into the ocean. And that is what it's attracting all of the magnificent marine ocean life. We are still working on all the technique to pressurize our ears under the water. It's been a learning curve. fish swimming around us. After a while, the sun finally started to come up and it turned the ocean this beautiful turquoise green. It was just so beautiful. You cannot Photoshop this. We probably could, but this is not Photoshopped. This was magic.
Pull it off.
What was your favorite part?
Probably those fish that were like interested in us, man. They were just, I don't know, man. They were like swimming
They're
up to
gonna,
us.
like,
I put my hand out and I
Eat
swear
our
they were
dead
gonna
skin
come,
off of us or something.
Yeah,
They're like gonna.
I thought they were gonna come nibble my hand. I like seeing that fish from Finding Nemo, that yellow and black guy with the big thing. There's two of them down there. There's 3 turtles out by the pipes. I don't have a favorite this time.
I do want to take Alex though.
Yeah, for
I mean, those turtles were so.
But it is.
Massive.
It was so nice to be out here without.
Yeah, like.
Are you okay? You got water in your snorkel? Okay, clear your goggles. All right, blow the water out. Okay, like it was so nice to just only focus on myself for like, and then have fun in the current, like swaying back and forth. That was fun.
It was like.
That was fun. Now, if I had the kids, I'd be grabbing Corbin, watching for Bella. It's stressful when you take everybody out here. Where are we going, Anna?
I don't know. Where are we going?
We're going to Honolulu Kitchen.
Honolulu Kitchen.
Kitchen, here we come.
We're gonna get some what?
Gonna go get some Manapuas.
Manapuas, here we come.
No, I wanted to go straight home. But Kimberly, she's a bad influence. She was like, nope, we are going to Honolulu Kitchen. This gentleman, we got to meet the owner. Well, she already met the owner. She's been here a couple times. And he makes to order a whole variety of Manapuas with a Chinese style. And they were amazing. We got there early, and within like 5 minutes of us showing up, it was a pretty decent line, and it was still really early in the day.
Spicy chicken, adobo, curry, yesterday. I don't think they did some
I loved how, so we were there, right? Kimberly's husband, James, is on the Big Island, and he is doing a whole bunch of stuff, working over there, right? Because he's also in the Army. And he literally tracked where his wife was, like pretty much on the cell phone app where you where tracked her down, right? Saw that she was at the Honolulu Kitchen and texted her like, "Are you buying Manapuas without me?" Oh my God, it cracked us up.
Different, okay. Nice.
Thank you.
This is a black sesame seed bun with coconut cream and
Wow.
and condensed milk.
Wow.
And then what we got in here? Fried Manapuas. Uncle Steve hooked it
Just
up.
freshly made. We waited for them to make them while we were there.
Let me know. Come on.
That
You want to look at the flavors? Or you want to pick a random? This past week, I asked him why he was out because spicy pork is one of my favorite, and spicy chicken. And he was out of both today, and I'm like, why? And he's like, I had 1,000 Manapua order last week. So this guy, his food takes a while in there, but he's
one
steaming
order that
them.
was 1,000?
Yeah. No, people come in there. So on Sunday mornings, I've been in there, and people like get boxed. You know how like in the mainland people get donuts for church? People come over here and get Manapuas, and they go to church.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. If you like pork and you like adobo,
We devour those things. Thank you, Kimberly. I'm gonna have to go run a couple miles to work that off, but thank you very much. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Mahalo for watching. Give me a thumbs up, and hopefully you guys enjoyed some of the beauty of the leeward side of Oahu, some of the amazing snorkeling. You guys have a wonderful day.